Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the unspecified device issue in Windows 11 using simple steps. First, run the Windows Troubleshooter. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Then go to System and select Troubleshoot. After that, click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, look for the troubleshooter related to your device. For example, if it is a printer, find the Printer option. Click on Run next to it. Windows will now scan for problems and try to fix them automatically. Wait for the process to complete and follow any instructions shown on the screen. Next, remove and re-add the device. Go back to Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Devices. Scroll down and look under Other Devices. Find the device that is showing as unspecified. Click on it and choose Remove Device. Confirm the removal if prompted. Now restart your computer. This step is important because it refreshes the system and clears temporary issues. After restarting, reconnect your device. If it is a Bluetooth device, turn Bluetooth on and pair it again. If it is a USB device, plug it back into your computer. Thanks for watching.